In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the College Board IDOC portal effectively. First, let's start with accessing the portal. You can find the link to the IDOC portal in your messages from College Board or CSS profile, or you can directly visit the IDOC page. Once there, click on Sign In. If you're unsure how to log in, you can refer to the methods suggested in your email or portal, which might include using your IDOC number, social security number, or date of birth. Now that you're signed in, you'll be directed to your IDOC dashboard. Here, you'll see a detailed list of the colleges that have requested documents and the specific items each institution requires. This could include your tax forms, verification worksheets, and more. It's important to carefully read the deadlines and any instructions listed for each school to ensure you meet their requirements in time. Next, it's time to gather and prepare your documents. According to your dashboard, the typical documents needed might include student and parent federal tax returns with all schedules, W-2s, and other income forms. Additionally, you may need verification worksheets or school-specific forms if requested. Furthermore, it's essential to include things like bank statements or business tax returns if these are applicable. For the best results, scan or photograph each document clearly and save them as PDFs. Try to keep one PDF per document type or tax year to make the uploading process simpler and more organized. When uploading your documents, click on Upload Documents on your dashboard. Follow the steps in the Upload Wizard, which will guide you through confirming your family information